Gonna do some more melty metal things. A friend of mine got me a bunch of this. This is 2mm cold rolled. Initially when he gave it to me I was like, oh my god, you give me stainless? He's like, hell no, have I given you stainless. So you definitely have to suck. Let's mix it up. Try a little T-joint right now. I think rule of thumb is plus 10%. Obviously this is about, I don't know, 2mm. So 80 amps plus 10%. We'll go around there and see how quickly we blow through it. Yeah, not there. There's always a trade-off, isn't there? If you go blind, your sense of hearing gets better. If you're really crap at TIG welding, you get really good at grinding tungstens. Wow, that was a fuck. Well, it definitely welded it to it. Try this end. Maybe not right on the corner. That didn't want to join for shit. I just didn't want to light up. It didn't want to melt the metal. So it wasn't hot enough, not enough amperage. Blew through that corner the second it sort of caught it. Rome wasn't built today. I don't know, maybe it's not enough amperage. We'll try 95. I mean, it was messy in terms of what I was doing, but I'm gonna use some weldery phrases now. Felt like it was wetting out, okay? Starting on the ends without blowing through them, and then finishing on the ends without blowing through them. That's definitely challenging. So the metal is pretty toasty, so I've gone ahead and dropped the amperage a little bit. I am on a button, so I can't really do much about the... Well, I could, but let's rephrase that. I am not skilled enough to do anything about the amperage on the button. There we go. Well, that was 100% an absolute shit show. I'm not entirely sure what went wrong. I got out of shape with my torch angle, with my arc length. Absolutely bent my tungsten over and went in dry. Apart from everything went wrong. This is such a mess. Keep on trucking, I guess. But to be fair, they do say you should bore your tungsten for aluminium welding. But I'm not sure this is what they meant. Alright, so let's have at this for a second time right now. Trying to figure out a decent way to hold the torch. The cable on this is horrible. Let's hit it! So I definitely don't feel that was any better. From my limited experience welding and my massive experience on reading and watching people who are better at welding than me explain it, this appears to look cold. It wasn't wetting out and connecting these two pieces of metal very well. This end is getting me every dang time. I'm driving heat into the work when I'm starting over here. And by the time I'm getting to here, I probably need to reduce my amperage by quite a bit, but I can't. Either I need to push it hotter quicker and sort of scoot along faster. That might be my option. I guess it's back to the grinding bench. So earlier I said, if you're crap at TIG welding, you get really good at grinding tungstens. If you're crap at TIG welding, you also get really good at grinding out joints. Booyah. I've still got some material left, so I can keep grinding. I'm gonna straight up hit it at 100. See how quickly we can ruin this one. Welded tungsten at the end, but that went down loads better. I suppose what this is explaining to me is sometimes you can't or shouldn't sneak up on the weld. You just gotta get some heat in there and just get it going. If you can punch in 100 amps and scoot along nice and quick, you can keep that heat effector zone to a minimum. Pretty pleased with that. Alright! So now I want to try something that's way above my skill level and pay grade, and that is to weld that onto here. So I'm going to tack this in place, and tacking is not my strong suit, but I'm going to try and tack it this time inboard of the corners a bit, because I felt like that was an issue last time. I was blowing right through the corners. Oh, this cable on this freaking torch is so horrible. It's like if you jammed a tungsten in the mouth of a python and tried to weld with it, that's what it's like using this welding cable. Holy cow, that was actually a successful tack! Yeah, well, that was beginner's luck, I guess. If everything could fall over as well, that'd be great. Oh god! Yeah, we'll see how this goes. Didn't bugger up my tungsten for once. Not too bad. And now for my next trick. To weld this inside corner here. So there's obviously probably a lot of experienced welders maybe watching this, or welders who are better than me at least, which wouldn't be hard. And they'll probably think to themselves, you know, keep it simple, stupid, right? This is more of a complex weld than you have the skills to be able to do. I don't disagree with that position, but also if you're in a safe environment where you can just kind of mess around, like I said, I'm not welding aircraft fuselages here, you know what I mean? I'm welding a few bits of scrap in my garage. If I mess this up, I don't lose anything, but what I could do is learn something, and that's always good, because at the end of the day, if you're learning a skill, it's welding, or I don't know, playing the guitar, or who knows, right? Whatever you want to do, pole dancing. In the beginning, you are gonna suck, no matter what you do, no matter whether the thing that you're doing as a part of that is complicated or easy, you're probably gonna be bad at it. So yeah, have some fun. Yeah, I melted the beginning of the weld up here. Heat affected zone is massive. Just burnt my glove. Yeah, I didn't get a lot of metal in there. I felt like I kind of hurried along. I don't know. It's a learning experience. I don't know. This was interesting to do, but I made something. I don't know what it is. Ooh, I know. As always, thanks for watching.